This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, June 2nd. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather looking kind of dry for a few days. I don't see that a lot this time of the year, but it can happen. Let's check it out. There's an upper low located north of the state. The things over eastern Tennessee has been drifting eastward over the past few days. And you can see in this water vapor channel that dry air has indeed pushed into most of Alabama. The showers are confined to the southeastern part of the state. That's the radar at 239. Showers as far north as Montgomery, Lake Martin, and Roanoke. And any showers should be along and south of that line for the rest of today and tonight. Even there, they're very widely spaced. Temperatures are below average. Look at Coleman, only at 72, and that's with the sun shining. Feels amazingly nice for a June day. Birmingham at 79, but don't worry, we trend warmer in coming days. In fact, we'll probably be up to about 90 by the time the weekend arrives. A marginal risk of severe weather for this afternoon and this evening over southeast Alabama. Up north, a standard slight risk for the high plains. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk where Colorado, Kansas, Nebraska all come together. And down here, a marginal risk mainly for parts of Georgia, South Carolina, and North Florida. And on day 3, Thursday, slight risk for parts of the western high plains. Things are nice and quiet here. And speaking of quiet, how about that? Rain for the next 5 days? How about nothing on the QPF chart here? This is the rain valid through Sunday morning, so the weather looking pretty dry through Saturday. Tropics, second day of the hurricane season in the Atlantic Basin. Again, we've got this vast amount of subsidence, sinking air. Things are fairly quiet. We are watching that broad disturbance there in the eastern Gulf, but that's not a surface-based circulation. This is a surface-based circulation. That is Blanca becoming a hurricane as we do this update. In fact, that thing will likely become a major hurricane over the warm water over midweek, but starts to weaken this weekend, and by Sunday, that thing will be approaching Cabo San Lucas, the southern tip of Baja California. And we'll just see how quickly it weakens. They tend to die pretty quickly up in that region, but it's certainly something to watch for our friends that might be vacationing there or that live there. And some of the moisture could work its way up into the southwest United States. You can see the trajectory takes it up toward either Arizona or New Mexico in about 6 or 7 days. So maybe that'll bring some rain to parts of the country that typically don't see rain this time of the year. All right, model fans, the GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. The upper low is around Asheville, North Carolina, and we're on the west side, the dry side, with sinking air, so tomorrow should be a sunny day. We're not going to mention any chance of rain. Any showers that do form should be well to the east, and the high will be in the middle 80s. Thursday, how about upper 80s? With a good supply of sunshine. Friday will be close to 90. And again, we'll expect a good deal of sun. Chance of rain so small, just not really worth mentioning. Not zero, but very, very small. And the same thing on Saturday. The high should be close to 90, partly to mostly sunny. And again, we note Blanca is approaching the southern tip of Baja, and this is Sunday. The tropical feature is over the Gulf of California weakening, but again, some of that moisture could come up toward New Mexico, maybe El Paso, Texas. And around here, moisture does begin to increase, and we'll need to bring back the chance of scattered showers and storms on Sunday if this verifies. Not going to, be a rainy day, but we could see a few showers or storms in scattered spots, especially Sunday afternoon. And the same thing Monday, maybe a shower in spots. And here's a week from today. This is Tuesday, June 9th. Pretty good trough over the northeast United States. And again, for us, very typical looking weather. Partly sunny, scattered afternoon and evening showers and storms with a high in the upper 80s most likely. This is the end of the forecast, the end of next week, Friday, June 12th. A weak northwest flow aloft here. And again, I don't see anything out of the ordinary there. Maybe just a few scattered showers and storms about. Temperatures off the ensembles, it tries to bring us up in the low 90s next week. And again, this has trended too hot in recent months. We might see low 90s, but I think we'll probably be in the upper 80s for much of next week. Lows around 70. And temperatures for mid-month, June 10th through June 16th, probably about where they should be around here. Nice and quiet. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.